All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Thursday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. As the Bitcoin price is hanging on for dear life. These are intense, scary times, as the title of the video says. It's getting serious. And make sure to smash the like button, because if we can get 1,000 likes within the first half hour of the stream, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. And as you can see, the long trade from the trade setup given in the Casper Crew VIP live stream yesterday is still open. Also, guys, I know I was shooting for $59,100 to hit another $2,000 profit, but I have to confess that I have taken profits early because I was scared. Okay? But at the end of the day, we're here to make money, guys. That's why we're here. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Things are getting a little hairy. Things are getting scary and hairy as New York has just opened 1 minute ago. And we need to talk about this right now, okay? Shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to Rupak. Shout out to David. Shout out to Mindful. Shout out to Paul Pioneer. Shout out to Ivonita. Shout out to Mindful. XRP big pump just happened. Check XRP. We might take a look at XRP. All right. There's no stop loss. Shout out to Paul Pioneer. Shout out to Falco. Shout out to B. Shout out to Low Bore Manor. Shout out to GBK Trading. Catch this bounce and pump it, baby. All right, let's discuss what's happening in the moment, guys. This actually could be the beginning of something huge for Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Are we going to reclaim or are we going to reject? Okay, so let's understand the context. What is the context? First of all, right now, locally, this just in, breaking news, bullish divergence on the 6-minute time frame right here. As New York opens, bullish div on the 6-minute time frame. Let's check out the order flow right now and see what happened here. Did we get any big longs popping on in? What happened? We did. We got a few longs popping in, about 1.3 million longs. Okay, now why are things getting so intense right now, guys? Well, because on the 4-hour time frame, we are flirting with a bearish divergence. All right, would you take a look at this? El punto rojo. This red dot right here. All right, a Mexican gang member named El Punto Rojo has just appeared. We don't know if he's going to confirm, but as the price made a higher high, the 4-hour time frame has made a lower high, and not only that, but we have come into a very key area of what I like to call resistance, which is this. We go ahead, we take an anchored VWAP from, let's see. I can never find the anchored VWAP, guys. I can never find it. This is not financial advice. I don't even know how to use TradingView. I'm just pretending for YouTube to get the affiliate money and the YouTube ad revenue. Here it is. Okay. Here we go. Boom! Look at this. We are rejecting directly from that anchored VWAP from the low of the move. Not the best look for Bitcoin, guys. Not the best look for Bitcoin. Bearish div, El Punto Rojo, y La Línea Azul up here, right? The blue line, and also here's the thing, right? We have also this key area right here that we are currently holding as support. This is very, very key. Value area high of the range. Very key. If we can hold this, guys, we can see Bitcoin pump higher to our target, potentially 61,000 US dollars. We're not talking about Canadian dollars. All right. No offense to Trader Geo. Shout out to Trader Geo. We're talking about US dollars, man. We're talking straight up American dollars. All right. That's what we're talking about here. But here's the thing. All right. It's a very key level. This must hold right now. I do not want to see this 4-hour bearish div confirm. If she confirms, guys, I would expect a move back down to the value area low of the range, which is what? Well, the value area low of this range, guys, is coming in around the low 56s. And if we're coming all the way back down to the low 56s, it's really not the best look for Bitcoin, considering the fact that we have a confirmed 4-hour bearish divergence. You know what I'm saying? So right now, it's a battle between El Punto Verde on the daily. All right, El Punto Verde, we got the bullish green dot in the daily, which on Monday let us know we are going to have bullish continuation this week. We've had bullish continuation this week of about another 2%. It's not as much as we want to see, but you know how it is, man. The bulls versus the bears. El Punto Verde versus El Punto Rojo. All right, the bears are trying to make their move here. And this is down to the wire. Are they going to be able to do it? Are they going to be able to do it? Now, we do have, like I said, not only do we have the bear div on the 4-hour, but if we go to the 24-minute, then we start to see, actually, we can go to the 1-hour. Oh my goodness, would you look at the 1-hour, guys? We have straight up the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man breast pattern on the 1-hour. Money flow and momentum waves getting lower as the price is getting higher. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Money flow and momentum getting lower as the price is getting higher into a key resistance. And right now we are unable to hold this. So important right now, guys. It's a battle between the bears and the bulls. Let's see what's going on. 1.3 million longs opening up right here, right now. The bulls are trying to come in. They're trying to make their bullish move. All right. We did have some dumb shorts opening up, like at this low right here. We had about 3.1 million shorts open at the low. So technically speaking right now, man, we have a decent amount of shorts trapped. So we could see a big epic short squeeze happen right now. It's literally a battle. El Punto Rojo versus El Punto Verde. We've got La Línea Azul, and we've got the value area high. All right. Value area high. Let's see if we hold this, baby. Let's see. Honestly, low risk long setup. I'm not saying what to do, but it is low risk in the sense that, you know, if we're going to bounce from this level and make another high, we're only risking 0.43%. I'm not taking this long trade. I'm just saying this is very, very key right now. This is a level where if you're a low time frame trader, this is where you look. This is a key volume area right here. Okay? All right, Bitcoin, we're down to the wire right now. Things are getting intense. All right, we got to give a major shout to everybody in the chat. Okay, first of all, shout out to Crypto Coons holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to Jahoni Ndao, who says we go down to fill the gap. Well, we could go up or down to fill the gap right now. All right. Is this the same as looking at RSI? No. 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 Market Cipher B is not the same as the RSI. All right. Here we go, baby. Here we go. What do I think about XRP? People say XRP is pumping. Let's see. Do you know what I think about XRP? I think XRP just did a nice liquidity sweep of this high. With money flow coming out in the 1 hour. And, yeah, I don't think anything about XRP, guys. Again, the only way I will ever touch XRP is this, all right? With this. Here's what I'm going to do, guys. If XRP loses 29 cents, I will put, I forget what I said, 5 grand into here. All right, I will put 5 grand into here. And then I will sell at $2.01. And I will split the profits with you guys, all right? That's the deal with XRP, all right? XRP, man, we never trusted it. In cahoots with the banks from the beginning. And now she's given us zero volatility, right? Big promises, failed to keep them, all right? How could we remain loyal? You know, I hear the XRP Army veterans don't even get support from the dang XRP team. After fighting in the XRP army, risking their dang capital. All right, here we go. Looks like we're holding the level. Let's get back. Look at this, guys. Longs pouring in. 1.3 million, 2.5 million longs coming in. Plus, we have about 3.1 million shorts that opened at the low. They are currently trapped. Let's see if we don't get a little squizzle. Let's see if we don't get a pop before another dump. What are some areas we need to be aware of right now? Well, first of all, if the high is in and if this 4-hour div is going to confirm, we do need to be aware and scared in our underwear of this level right here, because this would be another lower high coming down to potentially our first support. If we lose 57.7, it's going to be right around here, around $57,000. We get an easy $700 drop to take out this liquidity right here. Support resistance flip into the POC of the range, confluence with the 382 Fibonacci pull. All right, so we got to be aware of this. All right, we got to be aware of it. We got to be aware. Should I long the high with full margin 100x? Dear K2. This is not financial advice, guys. Don't take financial advice from Dear K2. I would not recommend it, okay? Shout out to Barefoot Sailing Adventure. Shout out to PPPPP. Why do you trust ByBit and not Binance? Because ByBit's better than Binance, all right? For order flow. All right, we got an all-time high on gold, baby. Let's check out gold. Wow. Gold is going absolutely insane right now. Would you look at this? Look at gold, baby. Man, this is... I'm telling you guys, when gold pumps, that is a bad sign for the overall big picture strength of the dollar. I'm telling you, this gold has been artificially suppressed for decades. And the fact that they are unable now to suppress it is showing huge amounts of weakness, in my opinion. When gold pumps like this, man, this is just showing us how worthless the dollar is. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Look at this, man. I mean, even just in the past 10 years, right? The past 10 years, we've seen gold pump now 100%. Now, I know what you're saying. Jason, Bitcoin has pumped thousands of percent. I know, but Bitcoin's a new thing. We ain't never done seen it before, all right? Gold, it's been around forever. A normal asset pumping 100%, that's crazy. You put $1 in back in 2014, you now got $2. That means if you go back in time 10 years ago, you could buy 2 things at McDonald's, but nowadays you can buy 1 thing at McDonald's. You see how that works? You have the same amount of gold, you doubled your dollars, but you can still only buy 1 thing at McDonald's. They're taking away your purchasing power by giving you these Ponzi scheme fiat dollars, and there's nothing we can really do about it, right? So what we got to do is we got to trade Bitcoin and other different types of corns so we can get dollars at a faster rate than the dollar is losing its purchasing power, so we can purchase things that never lose value, like land and real estate, and get animals going, start to build homesteads in your communities to grow your own food and become more self-sufficient. Say, you know what, screw your dang system, all right? All right, screw it! Plunge it with the dang plunger. You know what I'm saying? I'm a big proponent of gold. There are banks you can put your money in where everything you deposit is backed by gold. Physical gold. So the bank account numbers go up and down with the price of gold. So right now, we are pumping on the gold, baby. Let's get back to the corn. The Bitcoin. The reason we're all here today is to watch this Bitcoin price, and hopefully we can maintain some gains on this long trade. We already made, how much did we make? $5,000 yesterday on this trade. We are currently up another $4,000 right now. So what we're hoping for this, guys, is either we hold right here, either we hold this and pump, or if we're going to lose it, we're hoping for a quick bounce from here, or worst case scenario, the best worst case scenario is we come down to the golden pocket like this for a bounce, which does look pretty nice, right? Because we have historic support here. Support. right? Resistance, 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 resistance. It would just keep us trading in the same old sideways range that we've been trading now since the 9th of September. All right, the 9th of September. The 9th of September. Shout out to Justin. He says 61K or bust. Man, I hope you're right, my friend. I hope you're right. You like the way I say resistance? Well, thank you. I am French myself. I enjoy eating croissants and other French things like caviar and all those other things that French people eat, right? The only thing Americans know about France is there's 3 things I know about France. The women don't shave their armpits. That's what we believe. I don't know if that's true, but we believe you women in France don't shave your armpits. More power to you. The Eiffel Tower. And then the third thing I know about France right now is that Paris looks like an absolute garbage pile. That's literally all I know about France. I also know how to say resistance and croissants. Okay? So that's an American perspective on France. Right? That's how us Americans all view France. All of us. With just a big broad brush stroke. You can always just broad brush stroke. If you know one person from America, you know them all. Same with every other country. You know everybody. Just big broad brush stroke. You can describe them all in one sentence on Twitter. All right. Let's see. Is Bitcoin dumping? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin's dumping! Ah! Okay, all the longs are closed out. Ah! Oh no! El punto rojo! Potentially playing out here, guys. Remember, we got the 4-hour bear div. El punto rojo, the Mexican gangster. We got the red dot. We got the 4-hour, the 1-hour upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern. Potentially playing out here. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, yeah. Okay, so, guys, our next support is going to be down here. Oh my goodness, our next support, 57,104. 57,104 is our next support. We must hold, otherwise this long trade will be underwater, never to recover again. Oh my goodness. We're losing thousands of dollars live on the internet and a massive decrease in open interest. This move is not being fueled by shorts opening, longs closing, but we saw 3.1 million shorts open right here in this candle. So right now the bears are in control, baby. The bears are currently in control. And as we can see from Market Cipher B, we were potentially printing a green dot in the 12-minute, but it's rolled over. And the money flow's coming out after bearish divergences print. And we're running. We're dropping down as quick as possible to the dang 382 and the $57,000 level retest. We're back inside the value area high of the range, which is not a good sign for the bulls, guys. All right. Now again, having lost the value area high of the range, trying to backtest, the bulls gave it a shot. They didn't drink enough raw goat milk, because baby bulls should drink goat milk to make them stronger against the bears, which drink bear milk from their bear moms. They gave it a shot, guys, but clearly we're not strong enough, all right? And even the idea of coming up to the Fibonacci golden pocket is just not enough. Money flow coming out in the 12-minute. Look out below, guys. We are coming down to take the lows at 57,181. As the title of the video says, guys, this is getting serious. Okay? Here we go. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. 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 This is terrible. Horrible. Horrible. Terrible. Okay, here we come, baby. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming for it, guys. I think we're coming for it. Let's wait and see. All right. Daniel says calm down. Daniel, I can't calm down! This is real intense, man. This is real intense. Oh my goodness. How could I possibly calm down? Let's see what we got here. Alright. We have to calm down with some music. Let's see. This is some bearish music right here. Parental advisory. It's a little depressing on this Thursday morning. Alright. Oh my goodness. We're dropping.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Oh no. We're dropping. Oh no. We're dropping. Oh no. We keep dropping. Yeah. Took a long thought, we were popping. I come to the chart and the price is dropping. Blue candles start to turn purple. Jason's such a nerd, just like Steve Urkel. Once we lose the value area high into the range, we come back inside to the POC between you and me. That's the next place we could look for a B. Talking about a nice bounce, trading Bitcoin like a nice mouse. Sitting down on my laptop on the couch, looking around, hear my friends say, don't be a slouch. Yo, Jay, got the plunger in your hand, about to pump the Bitcoin price to a whole nother land. But oh no, we fell down below. On the 4-hour time frame, got El Punto Rojo, talking about the Mexican gangster. On the 4-hour time frame, he ain't no wankster. But we look around, walk the plank, sir, cause you're taking a plunge like your name is next to SpongeBob. And we do it like a slob, eating with the food all over my knob. My head in the red, took a long trade, but now we end up dead. We go back to exo charts, let's take a nice look. The longs are squeezed, they got caught by the hook. The shorts at the bottom, we thought they were trapped, but now they're in control, taking the price back to the lows. Oh no. Sit back and listen to my crypto flow. Look out below as we drop in the snow. The Bitcoin price is so frozen and cold, but we're looking down to the next support. 57,181. I hope you didn't get hurt for the liquidity grab. Coming down right here, then we take a nice slab. Hopefully we stop out all the longs. Pump back up, we're singing this song every single day on the treadmill just to get paid. Jake Casper, look out, a trading machine. Yeah, got the coffee in my cup. Hopefully the Bitcoin price does not snuff out. Got the fire and the caffeine in my veins. Jake Casper, he just does not play. But we got a blue candle. Bitcoin, can you even get a handle? I'm begging you, corn, please pump up. I'm so tired of this massive drop. Oh no. Come back to exo charts, got the blue and purple candles like a nice work of art. We drop down underneath the VWAP. If we reclaim, then we know the price will come back. Still got the long trade open, you know your boy is open to get another pump. 59K, I ain't joking. We made a little Bar Simpson. Bitcoin coming back, just beginning. Hopefully we get a fake out to the downside. The Bitcoin price, you know that she's gonna ride. Got the Pikachu hat on my head. Hopefully my long trade don't end up dead. Yeah, I'm gonna lick the plunger. Tell me, guess what? It tastes so nice. I'll tell you something else about this plunger. Yeah, man, I only used it twice in the toilet bowl. When we look out below, when the water's rising up, then we push it back, blow. Yo. Now the beat's over. Okay, it worked a little bit to pump the price back up, guys. But, it worked a little bit to pump the price. What's this? Winter Essentials. There ain't no way this is royalty free, baby. There ain't no way this is royalty free. Shout out to ZickDot. How much random chat material you have. That's true. I'm not really feeling this beat. Yeah, I'm not feeling the beat. It's too smooth between you and me. We got a lot of material up in the chat. Too syncopated. This beat's too syncopated, alright? We're gonna have to turn it off. Shout out to Jeremy Kingsworth for the super chat. He says, good morning, Jason. Peace and grace to you, brother. Can you talk a little bit about how your exchange works with self-custody and live trading? How do you ensure the crypto is actually traded? It's all on the blockchain, baby. It's all on the blockchain. That's how you know it's actually being traded. It's all peer-to-peer. We got liquidity pools and all that stuff. If you want more information, join the free Discord. we have support members there that are more than willing to answer any question that you have in extreme detail. Okay, in extreme detail. Here we go, baby. We're starting to pump. New York giving us the old 1-2. How does it do? All right, let's see. We're going to get on back to our normal music here. All right. We're going to have to get back to our normal music here. All right. Let's see where we at. Here we are. Okay. All right, let's see what happens with this Bitcoin price. Let's take a look at market Cipher B. We're going to go down to the 1 minute time frame. Nice, guys. So here's the reality of the situation. We got some low time frame bull divs. I'm really expecting still that we come down to take this liquidity here at around 57,181. That's what I'm really thinking, to be honest with you. That's what I'm really thinking, to be honest with you. JPOW about to ignite the next bulking phase. Let's see how the JPOW rate cuts goes next week. Monthly's not below the 60 line yet. All right, monthly's not below the 60 line yet. All right, shout out to Michael B. Shout out to Vittorio. I have hidden talent. I keep it super hidden, man. All right, let's see. All right, guys, let's see how this long trade plays out right now. And let's take a look at how XRP played out with that liquidity grab. All right, coming back down a little bit on the 1 hour XRP. What a crazy candle. Did anything happen with XRP? Does anybody know? Did we get any news? Did we get any news about XRP? Let me know in the chat. Like, what the heck is up with XRP? It's nothing too crazy even when we zoom out, okay? It's nothing too crazy even when we zoom out. We got all bearish signs which can make a hate pump. That's true. Can you get a copyright-free Casper track? What do you mean? I mean, all the tracks that I play are supposed to be copyright-free, but to be honest with you, I always get copyright strikes. In fact, I haven't had a monetized live stream in a very long time. All right. Like, no joke. Like, let's see. It's so funny. I just can't do it. I can't do it. And I don't even care anymore, but it's so funny. Look at all my live streams, right? Unmonetized, demonetized, demonetized. These are upcoming, but they're either ineligible or sharing. But this can't be right because I always get ineligible. Ineligible, ineligible. Here we go. Look. They're all ineligible or sharing, which means it's pretty much still unmonetized. But at least these people say, you know what? If someone wants to use my music, cool, right? But we'll see how this one goes so far. If you guys have any tracks you want me to rap over, then let me know. I'll do it. I'll do it. All right, so Bitcoin hanging down below this level, value area low. Here's what we need to do. All right, let's just reiterate a few important factoids. Okay, a few important factoids of reiteration here are this. We had down here about on a slight increase of open interest, about 3.8 million shorts open. So if we start to reclaim 57.7, we could see those shorts get wrecked. But let's also go down to a lower time frame here. Okay, so all the longs are basically out of the game. Basically, everybody who longed before New York Open is 100% wrecked. So let's see what happens, man. I'm still have to say, if I had to guess on probabilities, I would say it's more probable right now, being under value area high like this, that we come down a little bit lower. But I could be wrong. You know, maybe we just make that higher low. Maybe we just respect this trend line. Maybe we just respect that trend line. Make another channel for backup. That's probably a good idea, but what's the point of that anyway? What's the point of making another channel for backup versus getting wiped out and then having to start over? What's the difference? Where do you send beats? Yeah, you can send them to email, or you could just post the title in chat and I could check it out. All right, post the title in the chat and I could check it out. All right, let's see what Bitcoin's gonna do. She's trying. She's giving it a shot, baby. She's giving it a shot. All right, Jasmine's going to the moon soon. Make raps about embarrassing your ops and like fancy cars and stuff. YouTube likes that. They seem to. I honestly wonder if some of these hip hop artists are legit, or if like all the comments and views are just bots. All right. I honestly wonder if some of this new hip hop that's coming out, if people actually watch it, or if it's just bots. You know? It's so bad. It's just so bad. There's nothing good about it. Like, any idiot, literally anybody who knows nothing about music could open up Logic or GarageBand and make a good sounding beat. Anybody can do it. My daughter can do it on my phone, on GarageBand on my phone. She can make a beat. We do it all the time, every single night. Not every night, a lot of nights. On my phone, we open up GarageBand, we make beats together, and we rap over them, okay? Me and my 5-year-old. If she can do it, why do people act like, oh man, this is so good, this beat? And then you hear how they rap over it. They don't even say words. And if they do, the words mean absolutely nothing. What the heck, man? What in the world has happened to the genre? It's not just hip hop. Literally every single music genre has become complete mediocrity, it seems. Country music, hip hop music, everything's just so lacking substance. It lacks substance, man. Just lacks substance. I sound like an old man. But it's just, I'm just being objective, right? Even if I don't enjoy a musical genre, I can still appreciate an art form and appreciate talent. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, we got a beat. Looks like Bitcoin's going to try and reclaim that that value area low. So let's see if we could do it. This is a beat? Okay. Let's see if I could do anything here. I sound like such an old man. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I'm sorry, man. All right. Yeah, let's take a look at Jasmine. All right, let's take a look at Jasmine while Bitcoin is trying to get her pump on. We'll take a look at Jasmine. All right, look at Jasmine. Look at Jasmine on the 1 hour. Well, the weekly time frame, here's the thing. If we have to interpret all altcoins through the lens of Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin going to do? Is she going to pump? Is she going to hold support? Is she going to see 61K? Is she going to see 67K? All right. Or is she going to dump? If she's going to see higher prices, okay, then the weekly looks pretty nice for a move to the upside, honestly. We're down at support. The daily got a nice bull div here. Now we have a hidden bull div, money flow coming up. It actually looks pretty nice, you know, objectively speaking here. Having come down to the value, is that the value area? Hang on, let's re-pull this range right here. Okay, we didn't quite come as low as I had wanted to, right? We did tap into this high volume node. It looks pretty nice. But yeah, we got to interpret it through the lens of Bitcoin. So if you're feeling bullish on Bitcoin, Jasmine does look like we could get a little upside here. A little something, money flow crossing, bullish divs, weekly about to print. I would wait for a bit of a pullback I would wait for a little bit, maybe wait for this 12-hour to red dot a little bit. But in general, yeah, it's looking nice even with the money flow here. I mean, you know, maybe within a few days, like next week or something. You know, look at this, El Punto Rojo, just printing here on the chart. All right. If it's demonetized, why are you getting so many ads? YouTube will put ads on everything. YouTube gets paid no matter what, bro. YouTube gets paid no matter what. All right, prod by Abe Howe. I can't rap to beats like this, bro. I'm too old school, man. I'm too old school. 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. You talking about Jasmine or Bitcoin? See, let's go back to the Jasmine coin. Jasmine coin. 4-hour inverted head and shoulders. Yeah, but I guess potentially, is that what you're saying? Something like this? I mean, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that could be a good maybe. Yeah. I typically like inverse head and shoulders is to have market structure changes, but yeah, it could still kind of play out here. Are you talking about Bitcoin though for an inverse head and shoulder? Because same deal, we're not really changing market structure here, but we still are dealing with the bullish narrative, right? For Bitcoin, the bullish narrative right now is this. This was our low. This was our high. This is our high or low. And so potentially, that's why our final target here is going to be 67K, right? This is potentially what we are looking at here. This is why I have been excited since August 5th. Excited since the 5th. All right, let's check out how the corn's doing here. Okay, she's not doing so bad. We have decrease of OI though. No shorts, no longs opening up. New York gave us the old 1-2. The pump, the dump, and now nothing. So maybe in a few hours, guys, we come back in the afternoon, maybe 2, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock. We get a large move on this. All right. Shout out to R Pink. Shout out to Matan Tube. Put auto-tune on your voice, mumble some, and you're good. Yeah, it seems that way, right? It seems that way. Any chance this is a higher low from 57.1? Let's see. Yes, there is a chance this is a higher low from 57.1. There is a chance. The reason why I say more downside is more probable here is because when we look at our range, we are below value area high, right? So as long as we remain below value area high, probabilities say lower is possible. And that would actually line up pretty well with just the 12-minute, even potentially now giving us some kind of thing. If we like chill here a little bit and do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then eventually make our way down, you know, that would give us a nice confluence. All right, Divine Hood says we still have a higher probability to take the liquidity at 57,180. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Wrap over the 8-mile beat. I don't know. I'm not Eminem, man, you know. How does buying look? Shout out to R Pink. Shout out to Joss. Can we look at Poll? Xmatic. All right, yeah, we'll look at Xmatic. And buying, what buying would look like is this. Increase of open interest, right? See what happened right here where this open interest got higher? This is how you can tell people are buying, all right? That's how you can tell people are buying. And these are longs coming in here. See, when it comes down, this means people are not buying or selling. They're just longs are getting wrecked. So this move to the downside, we saw basically 7.2 million longs closed out essentially. Well, I guess 4 million longs closed out. 4 million longs wrecked on this one candle to the downside. And from that point, we haven't seen much buying come in here, right? We saw some longs come in right here, just a few. few shorts closing out. But in general right now, it looks to me like, yeah, pretty much everybody who's short from 57,660 is still in their short. So we have about 3 million shorts that opened at 57,660. So if we come above 57,660, now those shorts are underwater, which means, you know, we could potentially get that nice squeeze. But as long as we're below value area high, and as long as the big short money is above us, the probabilities say that we come down to, as Divine Hood says, this area at least for a liquidity grab before the reversal. But of course, anything's possible, right? This could be the high or low. It could be, right? It could be. All right, we got a lot of beats and people posting beats in here. All right, Ethan, bro, you gotta chill out, man, or I'm gonna have to ban you. All right, I just pray. I pray for you, Ethan. May the Lord soften your heart, bro. May He soften your heart. May He remove the spirit of anger from you in Jesus' name. And I love you, Ethan. I really do, and I mean this. I love you, man. As a fellow brother in humanity, created in God's image, I just pray for you right now in Jesus' name. Father, may you touch Ethan. May you remove his anger from him. May you reveal yourself to him. May you soften his heart. In Jesus' name. All right, guys. Pray for Ethan. All right? Pray for him. Because the man has some anger problems, all right? All right, what do we got here? Do we need the pump song? I don't know. See, I would rather get a little bit of a drop first, to be honest with you. I'd rather get a little bit of a drop first. I would rather get a little bit of a drop first. Thank you, Ethan. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it, man. What? Man, are we gonna pump? Are we gonna pump? I honestly would prefer to see a drop first. Let's see. We're coming up to the VWAP right here. Let's put on our VWAPs. We're coming right up to the daily VWAP here, guys. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We've reclaimed value area high. This. So let's see what happens if we get a move up to 6 Juanita, 786 ya. Again, I'm very biased for a move down. I'm very biased for a move back down to here, guys. I'm very biased for it. Just based on all things considered, I think it would be healthier. It would be healthier right now for Bitcoin to get another little move down. The reason is because that would allow us to form some really bullish divergences down here, which would, in my opinion, give us a more probable and stronger move to the upside after bouncing from a key zone support. We got the weekly VWAP, we got the daily VWAP close, we got the POC of the range, we got the Fibonacci 382. We're coming up to the VWAP. We have now trapped those shorts that opened up under here. Right? These guys right here. And even these guys right here, although most of them are out, but some still open. We have some shorts trapped here, guys. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. And just like that, we went from bearish to bullish, baby. It just takes one red candle to be bearish, one blue candle to be bullish. Come on, Bitcoin. Now 60K. We're looking at 57, now 60. Oh my goodness. This is a life-changing event. Just like the title says, this is getting serious. Okay, this is serious, guys. This is serious. Serious stuff. All right, let's see now. If we come up to the Fibonacci Golden Pocket and get a little bit of a rejection from it. Because if we do, you got to think to yourselves, that could be the catalyst that sends us back down to 57K. Or at least 57,184. At least to take the liquidity from this low. Let's see what happens. Where would I see this bottom? Well, I would like to see. Shout out to CryptoFace, man, in the chat. He's taking off this chop. Shout out to CryptoFace, man. You know, CryptoFace, I do have to say that Jason Casper Market Cipher football jersey, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, CryptoFace, for the custom Jason Casper Market Cipher uniform. I appreciate it, man. CryptoFace, man, you've been crushing it, bro. Like lately, like you've been on fire with the trades, with the streams, with the profits. Insane, bro. Insane. Out of nowhere, too. You just all of a sudden like flip the switch and now you're like in the zone. You're like in the groove. You're in the groove, man. That's crazy. $10 million trades. I don't even remember you doing $10 million trades. I remember you doing like $7, $8 million trades back in the day. That's crazy, man. That's pretty crazy. $10 million trades. That's insane. Shout out to CryptoFace. All right, we're coming to the 6 Juanita, baby. This is really, in my opinion, this is a legit make it or break it for Bitcoin. If we reclaim this, we could very easily come up to 59,000. Yeah, 59K, right around here. If we reject from this area right here, we're coming back down to... A rejection from here will take us down to 57K. A reclaim of this will take us up to 59K. Oh man, I can't believe this is happening though. This is nuts. This is a crazy pump. Man, we were dumping like crazy. We were losing thousands of dollars. Now we're back up, baby. We're back up. We just made $2 grand. We lost it and we made it. We lost it and we made it. Right here. Now let's see, because this is where we could lose it again. All right, we're going to pull that fib. Let's see what happens. Will we reclaim it and hit our target, 59? Man, I shouldn't have taken profit. I knew I shouldn't have taken profit. But I did it anyway. Dang it! Just kidding. You can never regret taking profit, all right? You can never regret taking profit. All right, here we go. We are at that 786. This is the make it or break it moment for Bitcoin, guys. This really is that make it or break it moment for Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. Wow. We're pumping, man. Can you guys believe it? Let's see. Let's see. We got this 786 here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Check out our 1 minute, actually. Doesn't look so bad. Man, are we really going to hit 59K today? Look at this. Bull div on the 6. It's possible, man. It's possible. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna find out together, y'all. We're going to find out together. That 786 is pretty crucial, man. $786, baby. She's a tough lady. 786, baby, is one tough lady. Six-minute bull divs. 12-minute bottom, but no bull divs. Maybe this is it, guys. Can you imagine if this was it and we just start to pump? We got to reclaim the 786 first. We've got to reclaim the 786 first, guys. We've got to. Let's see what the order book, the order flow says here. So really, that's a short squeeze. So we literally just liquidated all those shorts that opened up here. They held their positions. They didn't close. Now they're closed. So basically everybody who shorted here and everybody who longed and shorted before New York Open right here is officially like out. They're out. They're wrecked. Isn't that crazy how that works? Look, we wrecked all the shorts. I'm sorry, all the longs down here. Wrecked all the shorts up here. Now we're back to the 786. And we've taken the liquidity from right here. Maybe now we get a drop back down. Let's watch and wait. Let's watch and wait and see how she rolls. Everybody loves CryptoFace. Everybody does love CryptoFace, man. Who wouldn't love CryptoFace? Honestly, what a unique guy on YouTube, trading with millions of dollars, creating market Cipher. All right, my mom loves it when Trump talks about billions and billions of butt cheeks. Oh man, you're right. Yeah.
Let's look at market Cipher B. Do we have any butt cheeks? Oh, yeah, we have billions and billions of butt cheeks. This is going to be huge. We're going to win, and we're going to make Jason Casper great again, folks. And there's nothing Kamala Harris and her cronies can do about it.
Shout out to Donald Trump supporting your boy. Hang on, treadmill, stop. There we go, baby. All right, we are holding. We're about to get a pump. If we reclaim this blue line, 58,226, we will pump. If we reject from here, then we are looking for a move down to... Whoa, hang on. Looks like I got some audio issues. Do I have audio? Do you guys hear me? I can't hear you. Hang on one second. There we go. Yeah, this is a pretty key level here, guys. It's pretty dang key. Let's see. We lose the level. We come down to 57. We pump. We reclaim the level. This is such a key level right here, guys. This is such a key level. We are going to break out of this resistance. Actually, we're technically already broken out of this resistance, but this is where if we're going to get a fake out, it's going to happen right here. So we got to keep our eyes peeled. Peeled like a banana. All right. All right. Shout out to Tom Crown in the chat. God bless you, Tom Crown. Good to see you here. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown if you're not subscribed. If you want some good trading technical analysis content. Much better than mine. Much better than mine. All right, let's pop on back here to MCB. And okay, yeah, so we got let's check out our 12-minute here. Let's check out our, hang on. I don't know how people trade with the thing as an area here. I gotta make it a line. All right. Let's go back to our 6-minute here. Okay, potential 6-minute bear div at the 786. Nothing too bearish on the 3-minute. Money flow looking good on the 3-minute. 1 minute looking kind of good. 1 hour potentially looking good. This is some choppy price action, guys. We saw the bearish Sam Bankman-Fried man boot pattern. We have El Punto Rojo on the 4-hour, bearish div on the 4-hour here that will confirm in an hour and a half. We have a confirmed bear div on the 2-hour. Now money flow is taking a turn to the upside. It's crazy, man. It literally is crazy. Shout out to Joshua Rodriguez. Shout out to Oop Asama. Shout out to Quicker. Shout out to Robot. Can I get a chirpow? Shout out to Tom Crown with his chirpows. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Let me see a blue candle. All right, should we do the pump song? Do we need to do the pump song? We might need to do the pump song, guys. We might need to do the pump song. All right, let's see here. I think a pump song is warranted right now. Okay, I think a pump song is warranted. Let's see. We don't want to be premature in our pump song, but all right, we'll do it, man. We'll do a pump song. All right, we'll do it. All right, let's do a pump song. We'll pump Bitcoin. We wanted it to drop a little bit. We will pump it. All right, we will pump it. Alrighty. This song is called the Pump Song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Sometimes it has a late effect, but oftentimes it works. Oh man, we really need a pump song miracle. We really need a pump song miracle for this, guys. We need a miracle. Whoa. We need a miracle. We need to break out of this resistance. Let's pump! Here we go, baby! Yeah! It's working already! It's working already! Here we go! We're gonna dump! No! We're gonna pump, baby! We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Here we go. Let's pump! Here we go, baby, it's working. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Here we go. Breaking out of resistance. Bitcoin's gonna go the distance. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! Oh yeah, baby! We are pumping! Where's Trader Geo when you need him? Here we go! We're pumping, baby! We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump right now. All right, it works. It works. Let's see if it keeps going, all right? Hang on. Here we go. Wait, where's our new beat? Let's get our new beat going on here. Last time this beat pumped us, all right? Let's get this new beat here. All right. I know it sounds a little bearish in the beginning, this beat, but
pumping the Bitcoin to 100K. What do you say? Yeah. All right, here we go, baby. Got the mic. Yeah. Don't know about you, but I feel the pull. We got a battle, straight up the Bears versus the Bulls. We sang the pump song to pump the price. They tried to drop it back down, which wasn't very nice, but hey, we got the plunger in the face, Jake Casper on the mic, and he's not a disgrace. We got the Pikachu hat on the head. My long trade almost ended up dead, but then we broke the resistance, and now you see we're about to go the distance to the next GP. Oh yeah, I'm talking about 60K. Bitcoin hanging out every single day. When I'm chilling with my friends all around the farm, in our meets, certainly that we go real far. I messed up my words with my crypto flow, so sit back and welcome to the J Casper Show, the #1 rapper on the crypto flow. Every day when we're trading, that's how we know to take the long from the bottom and the short at the top, and the Bitcoin price about to hit the spot. Yeah, put on my glasses, the Bitcoin price about to pump the fastest. The last pump that we seen took us straight up to the next GP. Now we're about to go higher to a new all-time high. Bitcoin price, man, she is looking fine. We had the purple candles, but then they turned blue. Now the Bitcoin price about to show you what she do. We got a trend line, we're about to break out. Smile on my face won't turn into a pout because we're pumping, and the trades, they be bumping just like the music when we're stumping. Got the treadmill with my new shoes, the purple candles, all I see are the blues. I got the glasses, taking them off, got the clip on my nose. Bitcoin hits the spot, and now we're pumping, playing video games. Got the NES Super Mario trades, just like his brother Dave Luigi. Traded Bitcoin between you and me, as we're about to make a new high. We know the Bitcoin price, she's about to fly. Got the clip on the nose and the plunger on her hand, about to take the Bitcoin price to a whole nother land. Yeah, took a long yesterday, shout out to the Casper crew. Hey, cause I said about to long this from the low. If we get a pump, better look out below. But we thought we were coming back down to 57. Just kidding, fake out, now we pumped to heaven. 59K coming next. Bitcoin price back up to her old tricks. Like the girls in high school, I tried to ask them out, but then they slapped me in the face, said get out. Jason Casper, you're such a nerd. Haven't you heard? I'll never go out with you, you bird. She called me a bird. Got the beak on my face, take a look at market Cipher. What a disgrace, we got the bearish div, coming in the 2 hour, 1 hour also. Looking power, oh no, check out the 12, money flow coming down. Hopefully we don't lose the 12, Are we gonna lose that level? Because that is, technically speaking, a bear div right there. Oh man. Do you guys see that? Did you guys see that? That bear div right here with the liquidity grab right there? Oh man. Did you guys see that? Please tell me you guys see that. Do you see that? All right, we got to get a new, we got to get some more music on here. All right, let's get some more. There we go. All right, so we pumped it up, guys. The song did pump it, okay? The song did pump it a little bit, but here's the problem. The problem is, let's remove all this. The problem is, we do have some bear divs, and we did just take this high. So that's called the CDW. Let's check out our 1 minute. Bear div on the 1 minute. Let's see if we don't come back down to retest the VWAP here, guys, honestly. Let's see if we don't come back down to test the VWAP here. Oh my goodness. This could be bad, guys. I'm just saying this could be bad right here.
I'm not saying it's gonna be, I'm just saying it could be, all right? All right, let's see. This is intense, man. That's a classic CDW right there. A classic CDW. Okay? That is a classic CDW, man. All right, let's wait and see how this plays out. All right? Let's wait and see how this plays out. All right, so let's see how this plays out. Let's take a look at the market. Cipher B does have a 1 minute bear div. We have a 2 minute bear div. We have a 12 minute bear div. We have a 1 hour bear div. Here we have a 4 hour bear div. El Punto Rojo looking like she could confirm here. Oh man. Oh man. All right, let's see. What's a CDW? A CDW is a chickens drinking water pattern. Yeah, short squeeze to drop, take liquidity. Now we could drop right back down, guys. Now we could drop right back down. All right, now we could. All right. All right, we could drop right back down. So let's be prepared. Let's be prepared. That these are trades that you should always be looking out for, guys. Just in general, if you make a high and then you take the high with bear div, that's every single time for me a trade. All right, that's like an easy setup. You basically, when you see the fake out, you just short. Put your stop loss above the high. You know, put the stop above the high. All right, you long all-time high and short all-time low. That's not the way to go, man. Dang. All right. Oh, guys, now we're losing it again. We sang the pump song. Look, we did what we did our part. We did our part. Right? We did our part. There's nothing else we could really do right now. We did our part. Oh my. Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Dang. All right. Well, whatever, man. Whatever. We could get a big drop from this, guys. We could now come back down to the $57,000 level. If we lose VWAP, then there's a really good chance we go for these lows right here, man. There's a really good chance. All right. Let's see what happens. We're coming down to our last low. We're hanging on tight. Man, isn't this so crazy? You know, we pumped the song, we do a freestyle rap, we got the Pikachu hat, we got the glasses on. Then all of a sudden, next thing you know, we get a CDW, man. That's why you gotta just, if you're at these charts trading, you gotta be willing to see the stuff and take the trades, all right? Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh man. All right. This is so intense. This is an intense place for me, guys. All right, let's do some local analysis right now, okay? Let's pull a fib from the low to the high. We've got ourselves a local range to trade. This is our local range that we've been trading now since yesterday. I guess since last night. We could pull the volume like this. We could also pull the volume like this. Let's pull the volume like this. All right, we'll pull the volume like this. All right, we lose VWAP, guys. I'd say chances are high we come all the way back down to 57, man. I hate to be that guy, but that's what happens when you get a CDW of the high like that. This is what I was expecting to happen right here, right? The opposite of what just happened is what I was looking to happen here. I was looking to drop down, grab the low, and pop a reverse, all right? We're coming to VWAP. Let's see how people are trading the VWAP, okay? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, guys. Would you look at this? 4.6 million people longed the top. And we had millions of shorts liquidated at the same time. The perfect recipe for a reversal. Oh my goodness, we liquidated tons of shorts. We trapped millions of longs. We got bearish divs on market Cipher B. An epic recipe for a drop to the downside. All right. We're coming to VWAP right now. Let's see how she works. Let's see if she holds. If she doesn't hold, guys, we're dumping, baby. Then we're taking a massive dump. A fair value gap fill. I guess, is that what this thing is? A fair value gap right here? This big pump thing? I don't know. Who do you think I am? White Phoenix? ICT? All right. Let's see what happens, baby. Let's see what happens. Oof. Oof. Is all I can say. Let's see how this 1 hourly closes here. All right, let's see how the 1 hourly closes. People giving a thumbs down. Why y'all giving a thumbs down, man? We're out here in the trenches, bro. Or ma'am, but there's a 90% chance you're a bro based on YouTube analytics. Sometimes the pump song instantly works. Retest of the breakout. I guess that's a possibility. Yeah, it's a possibility. Yeah, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. It's a possibility. Man, all I can say is this. On days like this where you get bull divs at the bottoms and bear divs at the tops, it's typically just a range day. So the next area of support that I would be interested is gonna still be this one, guys. You know, still that same one we were looking at earlier. All right, this 1 hour candle looks like poo. This 15-minute candle, if it it's gonna close pretty bearish looking, I'll be honest with you. Pretty dang bearish looking. And I have to be honest when I say that this is a very intense bearish divergence right now. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a dump down yonder. Oh no, no voice. I said, what should I do? Should I close the long? And then I said, guys, I'm gonna keep it open. I'm keeping the long open, baby. Because I already made 5 grand on it. Stop loss is at the entry. All right, so let's see what happens. Man, I was thinking we could actually get that pump up to the higher level, around 59 to 60K. I was thinking that because in general, this, I mean, in general, my trading plan for today was, let's see, to come up into this box right here. So we technically came into the box. We came into the box. But really, I was looking more a little bit higher. All right. But the level is essentially anything that comes above this previous high is valid for the short trade with the bear divs on the 4, the 1, the 24, 12, and the 6. And the sad reality, guys, here is we have this short setup activated right now with the 4, the 1. Yeah, we got it activated, man. It's activated, I'll tell you. The 24. It's activated. Oh my goodness, it's activated. 12. Oh, man. 6. Oof. Oof. This looks horrible. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Terrible. Last night 60K did look possible. All right. All right, shout out to Divine Hood. He tried to warn. Yeah, activation. Unfortunately, we got the activation going on, man. That is nuts. That is nuts. All right, well, here we go, baby. We're taking a dump. All right. All right. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if I should close my long if we lose 57.086. I mean, this, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This does not look bullish. This looks pretty dang bearish to me. All right. This looks pretty dang bearish to me. Put a 1 in the chat if I should close my long. Oof. Man, this is bearish for so many reasons right now. I'm telling you. We could get a swift move down. All right, a lot of people think I should close the long. Okay, a lot of people are thinking I should close that long. Close the long. If we lose that level. All right, if we lose the level, I'll close it, man. Let's see. Yeah, the bearish man boot pattern is always legit, says Divine Hood. This is a very bearish pattern on the chart right now, guys. It is not bullish, all right? It is not bullish. It is not bullish. It is bearish, okay? I'm not going to flash close it. It might reverse, says Creating the Man. I like the way you think, Creating the Man LLC. It might reverse. That's not the way I like to think as well, man. So I'm going to see. I don't like to close my trades. I already made $5 grand on the trade. So what do I have to lose? Literally nothing. All right. Literally nothing. You compounded your long. Oh, wow. Where short? Honestly, if you're going to short, you should have shorted when you saw the CDW right here, right? Right up here. Technically speaking, given the 4 hour, it's risky because we have resistances above us, but if this 4 hour div plays out, we're going to come for that low. So this is a valid trade, honestly. It's a valid trade. But, you know, my style of trading, I like to watch it when it's happening. When I see that liquidity grab with the bear divs, I just pop right back. That's when I get in. Should you TP or short? Yeah, if you're short on this, I would lock in a TP, baby. If you shorted this, I would definitely lock in a TP. I would lock in a TP, man. If you shorted this, I would lock in a TP for sure. Because if you're short on this, you got to think. You're already... This is already for you. This is already like a 3-to-1 risk reward if you're not locking in something on that, man. And then let the rest jive all the way back down to 0K, honestly. Let the rest jive all the way down to 0K. Commodities are pumping. Let's check out gold right now. Okay, even gold's starting to get a little bit of a dumperoni in queso here, man. Even gold's starting to get a little bit of a dumperoni in queso. All right, so let's regroup here. Let's regroup. We're gonna take everything off the chart. Oh man, look at that 1 hour candle, guys. Oh. Let's take everything off the chart and let's just look at this objectively here. So what happened is we did take liquidity from a few areas. We took liquidity from right here. I'm sorry, right up here. And of course, we took liquidity from last night's high. All right. We did it with extremely bearish divergences on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, printing a red dot, which will confirm in about an hour, right? So if this red dot confirms in an hour, looking pretty dang bare. We have bearishes on the 24-minute, money flow coming down, momentum coming down, very bearish div right here. But, like we said at the beginning of the stream, we still have upside potential on the daily. And so what I think is still possible here is coming up to the $60-ish thousand zone, because we still have short liquidity above us. So let's see what happens here. If we get a little bit of a retrace, and then one more pump, and then we can get our bearish move, that would be nice. But it's definitely a key zone of resistance that we're at right now, and we're getting a rejection with bearish divergences. So it's not really a healthy. It's not the healthiest thing in the world here. So let's talk about support and resistances now to the downside, because if we're gonna get, let's say for example, we continue with like an uptrend here. We are bouncing from the local 382. We're bouncing from a 4-hour level. That's interesting. We're at kind of a support right here. Let's pull the local volume. Yeah, I'd say if we're gonna see a bounce later in the day, just like what I was looking at earlier, I'd say this golden pocket value area low zone is gonna be the place where we should look for it to come back down to test this support, right? If not, then we're looking at a fib pull from low to high. Then we're looking at coming back down to, if we take a look at this, let's take it from the low. Yeah, then we're looking to come back down to around 54-ish, the high 54s, the golden pocket. So I would first be interested in 56.4 and then 54.8-ish. And if we're not going to hold that, it's looking pretty dang not strong. This whole bounce here is looking pretty dang not strong. Considering the fact that we had 4-hour bear divs up here, and then we would have confirmed 4-hour bear divs right here, that's really not a good sign. If you are in a downtrend and you are making 4-hour bear divs at every swing high, that is really a bad sign for more upside. So let's see how the rest of the day goes here. Right? Let's see how the rest of the day goes. Splash Reference still wants that level to be hit above. I know, man. I know. I was still hoping for that too, man. I was still hoping for that too. All right, shout out to our super chats in the house. Creating the Man LLC. How do you join the Discord? Well, there's a free Discord and there's a premium VIP Discord. The free Discord, I could post a link in the chat, because apparently the link doesn't work anymore. The premium Discord is at jasoncaspertrading.com. jasoncaspertrading.com. So yeah, I'm so busy, I forgot to shill everything, guys. Well, first of all, BLOFIN offers 10% cash back if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins. $2,000 future bonus. For the next few days, for the next week, you can get this. And plus, you get a really low deal on fees. VIP level 2 fees. All right. Then, of course, we've got ourselves MEXC, the best deal on fees. MEXC, 0% limit order fee, 0.01% taker order fee. Unbeatable, but you need to KYC with the Paolo ID. The benefit of BLOFIN is it does not require Paolo ID. And then to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, where we have the best trading group in the world. We have multiple instructors giving live streams multiple times a day, giving you their levels, giving you their trade setups, telling you what they are looking at. Plus, inside the Discord, we have an entire beginner's course. It's the best trading community in the world. I have to say that, of course. I'm a little bit biased. Hang on. Somebody just texted me here. Oh. And one more thing, guys. Let's talk about Antarctic. While we're talking about stuff. Antarctic is a new DEX that will be launching early next year, late this year. All right, Antarctic is going to be a DEX, literally an amazing. Like, this is going to solve all the problems that traders have. This DEX right now is in alpha testing. If you join the free or VIP Discord, you can get access to be an alpha tester, where basically you get rewards. Right now it's not live, but we're crafting this together as a community. That's why it's blue and purple, because it's my exclusive DEX, right? Crafting this together, everything is self-custody. There's no KYC ever on the DEX. 100% self-custody of assets. You don't need to trust an exchange to hold your money. Everything's held in your own wallet. There's no risk of asset loss, no risk of frozen accounts. And because everything's decentralized, there's 100% transparency. Every single order that gets filled on the exchange is on the public blockchain for everybody to see. Now, the way this is set up is so that everybody who trades on the exchange gets paid in the exchange token for trading on the exchange. So if you trade on this exchange, you own the exchange. As the exchange grows, the value of your ownership grows as well. And there's going to be deep liquidity. This is not going to deal with market makers, no stop hunts, no shady business. It uses a peer-to-peer liquidity pool, no stop hunts, very little slippage, very low fees. If you are in the Casper crew and you sign up for alpha testing or beta testing later on, you're going to get lower fees than MEXC, 0.01% market order fees when this thing goes live if you are part of alpha testing. All right. Now, the cool thing about this exchange as well is look at this, right? I could long Bitcoin. All right. I just longed Bitcoin 25x leverage. I'm sorry, 61x leverage. Now what I could do is I could change my leverage to, let's say, 100x, and I could long Bitcoin again. I have 2 long trades open at the same time, right? I've got 2 longs. Now I could short Bitcoin with 30x leverage, right? This eliminates the need for multiple accounts. Or you could add to open trades as well, right? So you could trade as many trades as you want for a pair. You could add to the trade. You could remove from the trade. You can use your unrealized profit as margin to open a new trade. And eventually the plan is to have this where we can not only trade crypto, but just like how BingX allows you to trade like stocks, Forex, commodities, and indices. It doesn't show right now. But eventually, it's gonna have the ability to do that as well. So you could trade like the SPX using your tether as margin on a DEX. It's literally like an amazing thing. So right now we're alpha testing. If you sign up in the Discord, all right, you come into the Discord. There's a channel called Antarctic Exchange in here, where we have support. You can submit your own feedback, and we will make changes. This is going to be an exchange created by traders for traders, right? So come in here, there's a pinned message. This gives you the sign up and the instructions. All right. So pretty dang cool. All right, pretty dang cool. All right. So enough of that. Does it have inverse perps? It's on multiple chains, Dread Mining. It's on multiple chains. For right now, I'm not sure if it has inverse perps, but I'm absolutely sure that it will. I don't know if the alpha testing has that. But right now on alpha testing, there's only 3 pairs you can trade: Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. But I am almost 100% certain that yes, it's going to have inverse perps as well. About to take 57,180, says Divine Hood. Can you imagine if we don't take it, Divine Hood? Can you imagine if we don't take it? Can you imagine if we don't take that? That would be so funny. Bullish div on the 1 hour. Really? Bullish div on the 1 hour after all this? We're really going to change our tune like that? We would have a bullish div on the 1 hour if we take the low. If we take the low, we would have a bullish div on the 1 hour. Which means, again, we could get the liquidity grab and then pump back up. All right, we could get the liquidity grab and then pump back up. These range days, we have to be aware of these areas, okay? It's called Antarctic Exchange. Yeah, we got the 1 hour, maybe having a div. That would be some wild PA. Yeah, I know, right, man? But days like this get wild. Days like this get wild, man. They do. How to trade ranges? Honestly, you just wait for the highs of a range and the lows of a range, and that's where you look for the trades. So like if you're forming a local range, you put a line here. The bottom of the local range, you put a line here, and you look for a fake out of both with bullish or bearish divs. That's the way to go. That is the way to go. The 4 hour bear div has precedence. I feel that, Dread Mining. This could get real bad. This could get real bad. Shout out to Crypto Coons holding it down with the wrench. Let's take the wick at 55.5. Oh man. Where did I even get in here? 55.5. Oh man, that would stop me out, man. That would stop me out. I would lose $4 grand. Not really. I wouldn't really lose it. I would miss out on the potential. Shout out to Hornets. The charts is all you have. Bullish div on the RSI 1 hour, not Cipher. Yeah, maybe. Look, I have to say, I am very. Things do not look bullish to me in the moment, guys. Things look bearish to me in this moment, especially after that liquidity grab. They looked bearish before the liquidity grab. Then we took that high. So if we take this green line here, oh wait, I'm sorry. We won't have a bull div on the 1 hour until we come below 55.5, like my man Dread Mining says. So we would maybe have a local. Nah, we wouldn't even have anything too juicy here. I don't really trust the RSI, man. I'll be honest with you. I don't trust the RSI. Shout out to Boogerweed. He says, Booger picks J for fresh flows, tight TA, and a friendly atmosphere. Well, God bless you, man. He's hoarding all the rare Pikachu cards. That's so funny. You shorted the top, but still long from 55, says Ultimate Finish. That's the way to go, man. Honestly, that's the way to go. I'd say shorting that CDW and still maintaining longs is the way to go. in my opinion. All right, shout out to Seb as he opened a trade and made 2K. Well, that's awesome, man. I mean, yeah, it looked pretty bearish at that time, so it was a nice move thus far. Let's see if we come back for that low. All right, chat, are we bullish now? Shout out to Quint, who's going to train. That's what's up, all right? That is what is up. Chat, are you bullish or bearish? Let us know. Let us know. Schlong and strong, yeah, that's the way to be. Schlong and strong, that's the way to be. That is the way to be, baby. Can we get down to 44 to 45,000? We can. I'd say though, if we're coming down that low, we'll probably come a little bit lower. But yeah, absolutely, absolutely, we can. All right, a lot of people are neutral. It's a pretty mixed. It's pretty mixed in the house. All right, let's check out order flow. Wow. Shorts opening. Shorts opening. We had quite a few shorts opening right here. And we got some trap shorts too right now. Oh man, this is just Chop City, man. Next potential trade is going to be just a liquidity grab of this. If we lose that, if we don't see a liquidity grab, here's the thing. The way you trade a liquidity grab, guys, is when you see it happen, you need to be watching the chart. If there are obvious divergences as we pump and then lose that level and you see it happening, that's when you take the trade. Same with a long. If we dip down here and we wick and then pump back up, as soon as you see that happening, if market Cipher B looks like this, that's when you take the trade, all right? But we also have to think to ourselves, based on the higher time frames, this short is much higher probability to play out than a long right now because we have 4-hour bear divs. So if you're looking for a liquidity grab of these lows, you gotta do it in the mindset of 4-hour bear divs. I say a better level to look would be coming down to the POC, right around here. Maybe we get a quick dip down to 56.9 and then reclaim. But then we have the value area low. But I'd say, yeah, coming down toward this value area low and golden pocket, this is actually going to be the next place where we have a nice chance of allowing some bearish divergence to form. You know? If we're going to continue to trade this thing as a range here, right? That'd be the next place we have a real chance for some real nice bear divs to form. All right, Victor's bullish. We got a lot of people in here. Shout out to Preparing for War. Multiple time frame with bear div suggests we're going lower. Yeah. Shout out to Divine Hood. He's got to stick with the charts, man. Yeah. Shout out to Ab Jude. What is going on? Hello, everyone. Hello, Jason. Hey, after last time, knowing you are safe, I've been playing with Bitcoin. Held it at 57 when we were there. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, Ab Jude. All right. I appreciate that. Ab Jude back in the house, baby. Ab Jude is back in the house. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. Is more blood coming? I mean, I can't say for sure. All right. All I know is this: we got a liquidity grab at the high with bear divs. 4 hour, 1 hour, 24 minute, 6 minute. All right. Which let's see here. According to my plan, says yeah, we could come back down to the mid 54s. All right. We wicked right into the box. I was expecting a little higher, but in general, this box is the zone where you look for those confirmations. We have those confirmations in the zone. They're pretty intense. So all I can say is this: if you're in a short trade from this liquidity grab, you should already be hitting a take profit one and moving your stop loss into a place where you're not going to lose any money and you're at least break even, maybe a small win. That's the way I would play this right now. And that's literally the way I am playing this, actually. Can you show money flow on the 15-minute time frame? Yeah, let's check it out. Ooh. Yeah, okay, so let's turn everything off on Market Cipher except the money flow. Look at this, man. Money flow just coming right out. Look at the 1 hour. Oof. Crossing purple as we made that high, guys. This is the classic Sam Bankman-Fried pattern right here. Like, it's classic. So all I can say is it looks very bearish and we got a valid short setup. That's all I can say. Are we for sure gonna dump? I can't say. But I'm not a predictor. I just take a trade as it comes and then I lock in a profit and then I go look for the next one. I honestly thought that we were gonna come up a little bit higher to 59.1, but as soon as I saw that thing, I'm like, oh snap, this is real. 24 minute, also money flow continuously getting lower throughout this entire range and locally as we took that high. So right now, let's take a look potentially for a retest, bearish retest of this zone here. Let's go down to the 6 minute. Okay, yeah, I would be interested to see what happens if we get a retest into this area with some bearish CVD forming as we come in here for another drop. That's what I'd be interested in right now. I'd say that looks most juicy considering all things. All right. All right. Guys, I have to head out because I have places to be, people to see. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name, even if you're not religious. May the Lord bless you and your family. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.